Hi, in this video we want to know how to use the divisibility rule for number from 2 to 15. Now check by number 4. We say if the number is even, all even number are multiple of 2, or even number are multiple of 2. Okay, so every even number, suppose that I have this number 1, 6, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 3, 5, 4. Because it is even, only look at the ones place value and say this can divided by 4. Now for 3. By 4 is very easy. By 2 is easy. By 3, if I add the digit one by one, sum of the digit is divisible by 3 or is a multiple of 3, I can say it can divided by 3. So let's check. I have 1, 5, 7. Now let's check. 1 plus 5 plus 7. It will be how much? 1 plus 5 is 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 is not divisible by 3. Because if you check in the timetable of 3, you cannot find 13. Now this number, 2, 4, 3. So 2 plus 4 plus 3. 2 plus 4 is 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 can divided by 3. Yes, 9 can divided by 3. If 9 divided by 3, the remainder should be 0. The divisibility rule is this. It means if you find a number that can divided by this, by that number you say, the remainder should be 0. Or we can say the remainder is 0. Let's check for 4. We say for 4, if two last digits can divided by 4 or the multiple of 4, we can say the number is divisible by 4. Let's check. I have this number 1, 4, 5, 6, 8. What are my last two digits? 68. Now check 68. I divided 68 by 4. Let's write it here. I divided 68 by 4. 1 times 4 is 4. It remains 2 and 8. Easily I know 7 times 4 is 28, so my remainder is 0. I say this number can divided by 4 or divisible by 4. Now another example. Suppose that 5, 6, 7, 2 and 3. Look at the two last digits. Is 23 divisible by 4? No. It is not in 4 timetable. Now go for 5. For 5, only look at the last digit. If it is 0 or 5, it is divisible by 5. So I have 10. Yes. I have 1, 2, 3. No. I have 1, 2, 5. Yes. Every number is finished with 0 or 5. For 6, it should be divisible by 2 and 3. It means it should be even at first and should be multiple of 3. Means if you add the digit by each other, it can divided by 3. Let's check this number. 1, 4, 5, 7 6. At first it is even, okay, it's even. At the second it should be multiple of 3. I can check the divisibility rule for 3. 1 plus 4 plus 5 plus 7 plus 6. I check it will be how much? 1 plus 4 is 5 plus 5 is 10 plus 7 is 17 plus 6 is 23. 23 cannot divide it by 3, so it is not divisible by 6. Okay, let's check another number. 2 3 4. At first it is even, okay. At the second, 2 plus 3 plus 4. 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 is divisible by 3, so it can divide it by 2 and 3, so it can divide it by 6. Let's go for number 7. 4 7. A number can divide it by 7 if the first value, the first digit, times 2 and minus the other remained digit, it can divide it by 7. If it is not divided by 7 or you have dot, again the last digit of the remained number, again time 2 and minus the remained digit. Look at the example. You should continue to find that it can divide it by 7 or not. Okay, what is my first digit? It is 7. So 2 times 7 is 14. I say remainder number is 436. I say 436 minus 14. It is 422. I don't know it is divisible by 7 or not because it is big. So again I separate the last digit time 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Now I have 42 minus 4. 42 minus 4 is 38. 38 is divisible by 4 or not. So you can continue if you want, but 38 is not in the 4 timetable, but we say it cannot divide it by 7, excuse me. 38 by 7 timetable, sorry, 38 is not the number that it is in 7 timetable, so we say the whole number cannot divide it by 7. Another example, suppose that I have this number 2 3 7 6 4 5 2. Let's erase some of them. Okay, I separate 2 times 2, it is 4. So easily I bring 4 here. The answer should be 1 4 6 7 3 2. Again continue for 1 because the number is big. It is 2 minus 2 6 7 3 2. Again I should continue by 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Again minus 6 is 6 minus 4 is 2. 7 3 2. Again I should continue by 2. It is 4. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 3 2. So I have 233. Again, the last digit is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. Now 23 minus 6 is 17. So 17 cannot divide it by 7. So this number cannot divide it by 7. So we check like this. Let's go check for number 8. For number 8, we have this rule. If 3 last digits are multiple of 8, it is the first thing. It has two rules. 3 last digits are multiple of 8. We say this number can divide it by 8, or if you 10th place value times 2 and added by 100th place value times 4, 100th place value times 4. If it is multiple of 8, it can divide it by 8. So we have two rules for this. Let's check by some number. I have 7,000. So 7,000, 3 last digits are 0, 0, 0. Okay, this is 0. 0, 0, 0. So we know 0 can divide it by 8. It is multiple of 8. Can divide it by every number. So the 7,000 is divisible by 8. Easily we can find this answer. So 81656. Now I have this number. I should check if 3 last digits can divide it by 8. It is this number is divisible by 8. So 3 last digit is 656. Let's check by division. By 8. 65 divided by 8, it is 8 times 8 is 64. So remained 1 and down 6. 2 times 8 is 16. So the remainder is 0. It shows that this number is divisible by 8. Now by other way. So check this number. 7, 6, 3, 2, 1. What is my 10 value? 10's value is 2. So I should time to 2. I time 10 values to 2 plus, what is the 100's value? 100's value is 3. 3 times 4. What is this number? It is OR. Second condition. What is this number? 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 plus 4. We should check is multiple of 8 or not. It is 16. So 16 is a multiple of 8. So we can say this number is multiple of 8. Another example. We have this number 4, 7, 5, 28. Okay, I find the 10th place value, it is 2, and 100th place value is 5. So 2 times 2 10th place value plus 4 times 100th place value. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 5 is 20. So it is 24. We know 24 is divisible by 8. So this number is divisible by 8. Easily we can find. Now divisibility rule for 9. For 9 is like 3. How? We say if sum of the digit is divisible by 9, this number can divided by 9. I have this number 1 2 3 4 5 3. I should add the digits 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 3. It will be 18. So 18 can divided by 9. So this number is divisible by 9. 410 is very easy. It's very easy. If the number finish with 0, it can divided by 10. For example, 120. Yes. For 11, we should start for 11. If you have number, we should start to alternate positive negative between the digits. If the add and subtract of the digit give a number that it can divisible by 11, we say this number is divisible by 11. Let's go to the example. I have 5 2 4 0. This is my number. 3 1. I wrote it with distance because I want between them put 0. Start with positive always. Positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. Okay. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 minus 0 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. So I know 11 can divided by 11. So this number is divisible by 11. Now I have another number. Suppose that my number is 7 5 4 2 6 7 2. I start between them positive negative, positive negative, positive negative, positive. So when I add them to each other, the answer should be 5. It is not divisible by 11, so this number is not divisible by 11. For 12, we say if the number is divisible by 4 and 3, divisible by 4 and 3 or 3 and 4. We know the rule for 4 and the rule for 3. The rule for 4 was if two last digits are divisible by 4, we can say the whole number is divisible by 4. And if with the addition of the number digit by digit is divisible by 3, the number is divisible by 3. Suppose that I have this number 30048. I want to check it. So 48, check. 48 is in 4 timetable or not. I check 48 is not in 4. Yes, it's in 4 timetable, but it is 4 times 11. 4 times 12, excuse me. 4 times 12 give me 48. Now checking for the digit, sum of the digit. 3 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4 plus 8. It gives me which number? 4 plus 8 is 12 and plus 3 is 15. So 15 can divided by 3. So this number can divided by 12. Easily we can find the answer. Now go to the divisibility rule for 13. Okay, for 13. Let's check, and it is not very hard, but you should have concentration to solve it easily. It is 413. 413 we say this formula: 4 times 1's place value, 4 times 1 place value plus remainder, or plus, no, not remainder, remained number Okay, remaining number from my first number. It should be multiple of 13. Should be multiple of 13, so it is correct. If not, it is not correct. We should check if it is multiple of 13 or not. Let's go by example. 2, 4, 7. I have. Look at the ones place value. 7 times 4 is 28. So I have 28. I say 28 plus 24 remained number. 24 remained. So 24 plus 28. I add this and check if it is divisible by 13 or not. It is 52. If you don't know, you can continue more. So now check the 4. Check the number 2. 2 times 4 is 8. Now 8 plus 5 is 13. We know 13 is divisible by 13, so all number is divisible by 13. Let's check 182. 182, I separate 2. 2 is 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 4 is 8. Now 8 being here. So it said 18 plus 8 is 26. Now separate 6 because it is 1 times 4. 4 times 6 is 24, and now I add 24 by 2. 24 by 2 add, it is 26. I know 26 is divisible by 13. 2 times 13 is 26. So 182 is divisible by 13. It was the divisibility rule by 13. Now I have the divisibility rule by 14. When a number can be divided by 2 or it is even for 14, if it is even and it is divisible by 7, so it should be even and divisible by 7 and divisible by 7. So you should check the divisibility rule by 7. Let's check this number 1 to 46. So it is divisible by 2, it is even, so it can divide it by 2, so it is even. It is the first rule. The second rule was divisibility for 7, so I say 6 times 2. 6 times 2 is 12, so minus this. 12 minus this, it is 11, 2. Excuse me, the line is not good here. Minus 2, it is 2, 1, 112. Again 2 times 2, it is 4. So 11 minus 4 is 7. So we know 7 is divisible by 7. So this number is divisible by 7 and it is even, so it can divide it by 14. Now divisibility rule by 15. A number can divide it by 15 if it will divide it by 3 and 5. It means if to finish that number with 0 or 5, and the sum of digit can divide it by 3. So it should be divided by 3 and 5 by each other. So let's check this number 1440. Now let's check by it is 3. 1 plus 4 plus 4 plus 0. It is 1 plus 4 is 5 plus 4 is 9. So 9 is divided by 3. So it is correct. And it finished by 0. So it can divide it by 5. It is correct. So the number can divide it by 15. So it is correct. No, it was you can check the divisibility rule for number between 2 and 15. Thank you for watching this video and have a good time.